Hey guys, so I want to make this video to test to see if fake catalytic converters can help you pass inspection. I got these straight through catalytic converters and I don't get emissions, so I bought these online. I want to see if I can pass visual inspection with them. Just decided to make a little video seeing if you can pass inspection with these. Alright, I'm just going to show you a quick process. I'm going to cut my mid pipe, slide on this coupling like that, use my pre-existing coupling as a through, shove that on, bring it up, slide coupling over, clamp it down.
Alright, well, I tried my best to weld this coupling on. It's alright, waterproof, not my best weld, but not bad for the first time touching a welder in over a year. It works. Hopefully I don't fuck anything up. How the inspection goes after. Alright, so I just got my inspection done for what I thought was only going to be a safety inspection, but apparently because the county I live in, I'm required to get emissions and safety inspection, which I didn't know. I thought I was being slick trying to go to the next county and just getting a safety inspection, but I wound up getting emissions too. But for some reason, I wind up still with pretty much straight pipe Mustang. I pretty much still wind up passing with safety and emissions with a straight pipe Mustang, which I don't know how. The only reason I can think of that I passed is because I have a tuner and I wind up turning off my secondary O2 sensor, and I guess since I turned off the code, they never got the code when they plugged into my computer. But I guess it works. You can buy straight through fake catalytic converters and still pass emissions and safety inspection, but only emissions if you have a tuner and are able to turn off your code for it. But yeah, I mean, that really concludes this video. What I was trying to see if it would work, which it did. So if you want to find out where I got those fake catalytic converters, I'll put a link down in the description to it at siliconeintakes.com. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment. Thank you.